Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. Today we are going to see Civics second lesson. The lesson name is political parties. So in this lesson we are going to see about the political parties. Political parties na yaaruntu in the lesson la paaka porom. So in introduction, in earlier times emperors and kings ruled India. King is a supreme head of the legislature, executive and judiciary branches. Governance in the hands of one person. The welfare of people depends upon the kings. Actually in earlier times we know that king only ruled our country. ஒரு state எல்லாமே வந்து kings only ruled our country and king is a supreme head. He is a supreme head of the state and also he only the supreme head for the legislature, executive and judiciary, and governance is the hands of one person, that is a king. All the governance only under only the king. So king is a head. People depends on king. Only the welfare of the people is depend only on the king. King வந்து பார்த்தாதான் people's welfare நமக்கு இருக்கும். And also people don't have rights to against the ruler. Actually people don't have a rights to talk against the ruler. And after the foreign policies, so actually in earlier times the kings ruled our country, and after that the foreign peoples ruled our country. And after 1950 India became the democratic country, and after that India became democratic country. After that we need political parties. So people started political parties. So after independence we need a democratic country. So we need some parties to government. We need a government. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், அப்போ political parties, we want to start a political parties சொல்லிட்டு on that time many peoples came friend and started a political parties. So இதுதான் political parties ஓட starting. So what are political parties? What is political party ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So what does political parties means? Political parties are broad ideological identity who agree on some policies. Political parties seek to implement their policies by winning. Actually political parties have ideology and identity who agree on some policies. Political parties have to maintain some policies and political parties seek implement their policies by winning. இப்போ ஒரு political parties are there. So அந்த political parties அவங்க வந்து they have to maintain some policies இருக்கணும். அந்த policies அவங்க கொண்டு வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், winning policies. Once again I will tell you what is political parties. Political parties are broad ideology. They have to maintain some ideas. They have to maintain some policies. Because அவங்க policy ஏதாவது ஒரு policy இருந்ததுனா தான் they will come to governance-க்கு அவங்க வர முடியும். And also they have three components also in political parties. Political parties have three components. What are that means? The leader, the active member and the followers. What are the leaders, the active members and the followers. So in the three things on the components of political parties, it must be in political parties. And next we are going to see the how to form a political parties. In how to form, எப்படி வந்து political parties form பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது. So before entering that I will show you on video. Okay students, see this, how to form a political parties. Political party எப்படி form பண்றது? This is 3 steps only. The first step is Election Commission of India. First we have to register in the Election Commission of India. This is the first step. We have to register in Election Commission of India. Next one is must have at least 100 members. In the party, political party, they have at least 100 members. 100 members they have to in the political party. And the next one is must write party constitution. The political party must write the party constitution also. So the policies எல்லாம் வந்து the political party have to write. Next we are going to see the importance of political parties. They are backbone of democracy. They are not a part of government. They are essential element of government. Actually the political parties are the backbone of our democracy. They are not only a part of the government, they are essential elements. They are very important to our government. And also the party is recognized if actually the political party is recognized. அவங்களை எப்படி recognize பண்றோம்? Political activity work for 5 years. They have to work as a political party for 5 years. 5 years they have to work as a political political party and secure 6% vote in last general election. In last general election, they have to secure 6% of voting. So this is the recognition of a political party. And next we are going to see the characteristics of political parties. We have 4 characteristics. I will tell you. The first one is a group of persons have a common knowledge. Actually, the group of persons have common knowledge and common goal. They have to maintain some goals and own ideology. They have own ideas. Own ideas they have to know, and thinking to capture constitutional power. They have to think about our constitution. And the last one is promote national welfare. They have to think and promote our national welfare. These are the 4 characteristics of political parties. And the next one is types of parties. We have a types of party system. This is 3 types of party system. They are single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. What are that? Single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. Before going to the explanation, I will explain this types of party system in a video. I will show you the video. Can you see the students? This is the types of party system. In the types of party system, there are 3 types. First one is a single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. This is a single party, bi-party and multi-party. So 3 types of system is there: single party and bi-party. In single party system, there are only 1 party, and the bi-party system there is 2 party. That is example. For example, USA is a bi-party system. So 1 ruling party, 1 opposition party. And next one is our India multi-party system. We have more than 3 parties. Nariya parties நம்ம இந்தியால இருக்கு. So this is called as a multi-party system. And next we are going to see the party system in India. In India, what is party system? Party system in India la நம்ம என்னென்ன party systems இருக்கு. So we are going to see India's party system originated in 19th century. Actually, Indian party system நமக்கு எப்போ வந்தது? 19th century. India has a large number of political parties in the world. In our world, the India is a large number of political parties we are having. So நிறைய political parties நமக்கு இருக்கு. The political parties are 3 levels. The 3 levels, what are the 3 levels means? First one is the national, second one is the regional and third one is the registered actually. The first one is the national, second one is the regional and third one is the registered. What is the difference between the political parties? In the political parties ke enna difference pata? In the national political parties is for our country, parliamentary election like this is a national, and regional means in our state we have elections laya, CM election like this. So that is a regional. And next one is a registered. Actually registered means there are independent candidates irukangalla, suyetchiya nikkiradhu. So the single person will stand in an election. So that is called as a registered election. So independent candidates election. So next the criteria for recognition, அதாவது அவங்கள செலக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ த நேஷ்னல் இருக்குது, ரீஜனல் இருக்குது அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இண்டிபெண்ட் பார்ட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அவங்கள எந்த மாதிரி பேசிஸில், இன் வாட் பேசிஸ் தே ஆர் கெட்டிங் செலக்டட் ஃபார் த political parties. So first national political parties, I am going to say only the 3 points. So first one is the national political parties. 6% of vote in Lok Sabha election. They have to get 6% of vote in Lok Sabha election, and 4 places they have to get won in 4 places, 4 states, any 4 states they have to win, and the last election they have to win in 2% of votes. Actually in last election la 2 states la avanga win பண்ணிருக்கணும், and also 4 place la வந்து normally அவங்க வந்து மற்ற டைமில் other times they have to win in 4 states, and also 6% of votes Lok Sabha election la இருக்கணும். That is the qualifications for the national parties. And for the regional parties the same 6% of vote in legislative assembly, in 6% of vote in legislative assembly and 2% win in legislative assembly. 2 places, any 2 states they have to win in legislative assembly, and minimum 3% in legislative assembly, and also the 3% total number seats la 3% ada avanga legislative assembly la win pannirkanum. These are the qualifications for the regional parties. And the last one is the independent parties. He is a single party, can stand in a parliamentary election and also in our state assembly. எங்கனாலும் அவங்க வந்து நிக்கலாம். யாரு? Independent candidates. They are registered. So next we are going to see recognized parties. Recognized parties. What is mean by recognized parties? We are going to see. Parties fulfill this criteria are called recognized parties. This criteria I told 3 points in national parties, regional parties like this. So if they fulfilled that points means they are called as a recognized parties. Criteria ella fulfill pannitanga, they are called as a recognized parties. Election Commission give a unique symbol. Election Commission, we know our Election Commission will give a unique symbol for the election political parties. A registered but unrecognized parties are cannot contest election on its own symbol. Actually the registered other independent candidate I told you la, that independent candidates ku avangale symbol vandu select panna mudiyadu. Only the election commission will give a symbol to the that independent candidates. Other parties vandu avangalukku kudukranga, the election commission only give the symbols to the other parties, but here independent candidates avangale election symbol select panna mudiyadu. Only the election commission will give. And the next one is a majority party. The political party whose number of candidates elected more than one parties are called majority party. Actually in the majority political parties, which number of candidates highest seats la win பண்ணியிருக்கிறவங்க, they are called as a majority party. இப்போ ஒரு 29 பிளேஸ்னா அதில் 26, 25 win பண்ணாங்க, they are called as a majority party. And the next one is a minority party. The lesser number of elected candidates are called minority party. Actually minority party is lesser number of elected candidates. இப்போ 29 place ஒரு 10 places or 5 places they win means and they won means they are called as a minority party. And the opposition party, who is opposition party? We know that the next place to the majority party. Majority ஒருத்தர் சொன்னாலையா 25 place he won means அந்த 25 ல அடுத்தது ஒரு 24, 23 like this they are standing means he is a opposition party. So he is a opposition party members. And next coalition government. What does mean by coalition government? We are going to see single party system cannot secure a majority required, so in such case some parties join together and form a government. Actually here the single party system, the single party is ruling a government but he can't run a government means he can single party system cannot secure a majority request means, so in such case some other parties join together to form a government. In some other cases there is two parties, where two parties irukku, that two parties join together and form a government. That is called as a coalition government. I understand this. Single party rule பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்றதுல அப்ப the next two parties join together and form a government. And next we are going to see the electoral symbols and its importance. What is electoral symbols and importance? So the election commission allowed a separate symbol for political parties. That symbol was not used by another political parties in the same state. Actually here the election commission, our election commission give a separate symbol for each political parties, but in sometimes in our state, நம்ம ஸ்டேட்லயே அந்த சிம்பிளை என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, other political parties not use the same symbol, அந்த same symbol யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. Only the other country, other state இருக்கு இல்லையா, இப்போ நம்ம country symbol ஒன்று இருக்குன்னா other state peoples can use the same symbol, but in our country they are not use that symbol. நம்ம ஸ்டேட்ல நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. That is the symbols. If they are state party means other party not allowed to use that symbol, but other state can use. Actually நேஷனல் பார்ட்டி சிம்பிளை யாருமே யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஒரு பார்ட்டிக்கு கொடுக்குற சிம்பிள் வேறு எந்த ஒரு பார்ட்டிக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. பட் ஸ்டேட் பார்ட்டி, இப்போ ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டில், இப்போ நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஒரு பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டியில் ஒரு சிம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா அதை நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் அதே இது வெளியவும் நேஷ்னல் லெவல்லையும் வேறு ஸ்டேட்லேயும் அந்த சிம்பிளை கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ரைட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ there is no changes. Next one is the difference between the national party and the next is the national party and regional party. So there is a difference between the national parties and regional parties. National parties, I already told you, our country, the parliamentary election like this, and the regional party, I told the Tamil Nadu like this, separate states, that is the regional parties. Okay, there is some difference between the national parties and the regional parties. The first one is participation in election all over India. The national party is participation in election in all over India is called as a national party. Only in one state, அதாவது ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டில் மட்டும்தான் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண முடியும், that is called as a regional party. And the second one, it is strong in 4 states. Actually it must be strong enough in 4 states and national parties, but here they have to strong in 2 states, that is a regional parties. And also the symbol throughout the country, I told in symbol, the symbol throughout the country they can use that symbol. ஒரு symbol கொடுத்தா throughout the country they have to use that, but here symbol in that state, that symbol only in that state only they will use, அந்த ஸ்டேட்ல மட்டும் தான் அந்த சிம்பலை யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். And next, it resolves state, national and international issues. Actually in a state, national and international issues, everything is resolved in the national party, but here it resolves only the state issues. அவங்க state குள்ள இருக்கிற issues only they will solve, they will not interfere in other state issues. Okay, are you understand this? National parties and regional parties you understand? And also before that I told about the components of political parties, I told you, and the types of political parties and how to form a political parties, like this I told. And the next last we saw national parties and difference between the national and regional parties. Okay student, I hope you all are understand this lesson. I will see you in the next class. Thank you students.